Indoors, avocado makes a terrific houseplant, and it's easy to grow your own from a seed. Just save the pit of the fruit. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to start your own avocado plant. First, you'll need to stick 3 or 4 wooden toothpicks into the wide end of a freshly washed pit, about a third of the way down. Next, fill a glass with water and rest the toothpicks on the rim so the pit is halfway submerged in water. Place the glass in a warm spot with bright light, like a windowsill. Roots should develop in 2 to 6 weeks. When the pit cracks and a sprout appears, it's time to move it into a container with potting soil. Plant the seed, keeping the top half exposed. Water it and put it in a sunny, warm spot. To ensure a fuller plant, pinch off the tip of the stem when it reaches 6 inches tall. Repot the plant when it outgrows its current container, or until it's as large as you want it to grow. Then fertilize it with a balanced citrus and avocado plant food, following the product's instructions. To relocate your plant outdoors, wait until the weather is reliably warm, then move it to a sheltered area so it can gradually adjust to more light and wind. For help on growing or selecting the right plants for your area, speak with a local store associate in the garden center. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.